guys, Mrs. Palazzi here. Hope you're having a great week. We only have 2 more weeks of school left. It's crazy. It's gone so fast. I know being at home has in some ways made it feel a lot longer, but in other ways it feels like it is flying by. So let's take a look at this week's calendar. No surprises this week. First of all, you have off on Monday, so hope you guys had a great day. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you guys are going to continue on through the Home Creativity Challenge. I gave you guys that sheet last week. You already worked through it, so hopefully you've got that under control. You picked at least one really good activity last week. You're going to pick a second one this week. And then next week, we're going to look at what everyone completed to round out the school year. So I just want you guys to have some fun with this week. Choose at least one activity and we'll go with it. Also, on a side note, congratulations to Josh, who was our winner for our speeches. Awesome job. Who is going to be the winner for the Creativity Challenge? Who knows? It could be someone new. So make sure you're working hard. The more activities you do, the more chance of points you get. So if you choose to do more than one activity, go for it. But guys, we're in the last home stretch of school. Have fun with this activity. That's all I have for you guys this week. If you need me, stop into one of the office hours. Otherwise, have a great week. See you guys. Bye.